Hello, I'm Vishwa Gulati and I welcome you all to Flipkart. Today I will be reviewing the most advanced 4K television, LG Super Ultra HD TV. With the latest technology, this 4K Ultra High Definition TV comes as a complete entertainment package. Some classy and innovative features make this TV a premium entertainment choice. It also comes with various built-in applications to make your experience richer than ever before. Now let's go ahead and understand these features in detail one by one. To begin with, this new range of LG UHD TVs come with artificial intelligence. Now you don't need to control TV operations manually with too many complicated steps. Simply talk and intuitively control your television or search for desired content. Moreover, it has over 800 built-in commands which work without the internet. Let's check them out. Cricket. Further, to give you a gorgeous viewing experience, the LG Super UHD TV goes beyond just conventional measures. To improve picture quality, the advanced NanoCell technology has been integrated into the panel. NanoCell provides absolute color accuracy, and in addition to that, we get rich and accurate colors from every angle. With NanoCell display, every seat in the room is a hot seat. The LG Super Ultra HD TV is powered with a new brain, the Alpha 7 intelligent processor, which gives you cleaner and smoother images through noise reduction, exquisite detail and vivid colors by image analysis, and accurate and rich colors. To give you a truly breathtaking viewing experience, the LG Super Ultra HD TV has 4K Cinema HDR with Dolby Vision. It provides better picture detailing in brighter as well as darker images. It creates a natural viewing environment where dark looks darker with added depth and bright looks brighter. LG's 4K Cinema HDR delivers the filmmaker's vision by supporting most of the HDR formats like Dolby Vision, Advanced HDR by Technicolor, as well as HDR10 Pro and HLG Pro. Unlike many other HDR formats, this TV processes the entire content at once. Dolby Vision processes each individual scene one by one, which delivers the best HDR picture quality. To further enhance your experience, the LG Super Ultra HD TV has Dolby Atmos technology that provides object-based sound and 360-degree surround sound, putting you right in the middle of the action. Keeping true to the promise of high-quality picture, this LG Super Ultra HD TV has LEDs placed all across the screen and not just the edges. With full array dimming, the LG Super Ultra HD TV controls the backlight units individually. With precise backlight control, it maximizes black level and ensures crisp and clear images with superb contrast. Now moving on, another interesting feature is the mobile connection overlay that lets you watch HDMI input and mobile screen shared contents simultaneously. What's more, you can also control it through your Magic Remote. I'll show you how it's done. So ladies and gentlemen, as the name suggests, this LG Super Ultra HD TV is a smart and powerful entertainment partner with ThinQ AI, NanoCell full array display, 4K Cinema HDR, mobile connection overlay, and many more such features. I can assure you that this TV gives you an immersive entertainment experience. So go for it right away and buy it without any second thoughts on Flipkart, because here you get quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo, and a short brand warranty. So what are you waiting for? Come join the Flipkart family now. That's all from me, and have a perfect buy.